Good morning, Kasturians. So today, let us start the topic. The topic that we have to study is wavefronts, and this topic is from chapter number 10, which is wave optics. Okay, so let us start the topic. Okay, so first of all, let us see what are wavefronts. How do we define wavefronts? See, wavefront, it is a continuous locus of all the points such that the medium in which they are vibrating, it is in this medium is in the same phase at any instant of time. Okay, so we call them as wavefronts. Now there are various kinds of wavefronts. For example, spherical wavefronts, cylindrical wavefront, and plane wavefronts. One by one, we will go on discussing about each of them. Okay. So let us start with the first one. First one is spherical wavefronts. What are spherical wavefronts? The wavefronts. These are the wavefronts in which when the wave is traveling, so these wavefronts they lie in such a way that they form a shape which is spherical. Okay, they lie in such a way that they form a spherical shape. Okay, let us see by the figure how they are formed and what are they. See, this is a point, or you can say the point of source from where the waves are emitted. And see, from this point source, waves are emitted in all the directions. When the waves are emitted in all the directions, the wave they travel in the form of spherical waveforms. Okay, so at one point of time, if we consider, let us consider the time as t. At t time, the wave from this point they will travel equal in all the directions. At t time, this wavefront when traveling in this direction, it will be at this point, and at t time in this direction, it will be at this direction. It will, and so on. It will make a spherical wavefront. Okay, spherical part, or you can say the circular type of wavefront it will form. Okay, so this wavefront is known as spherical wavefronts. Now let us consider about the cylindrical wavefront. See, when source of light it is linear in shape, or we can say it is like a rectangular slit. So what kind of wavefronts we get? The in this case, the wavefront that we get are known as cylindrical wavefronts. Okay, so that we will see. But before that, let us see what are plane wavefronts. If the wavefront is at very large distance, okay, and we can say when the wavefront is at very large distance from the source. Okay, or we can say when the source is at infinity or at very large distance. In this case, the wavefronts that are formed are known as plane wavefronts. Okay, now let us see the cylindrical wavefronts and the plane wavefronts. See here, this is a linear kind of you can say this is a linear shape substance, which is linear shape of source, and from this source rays are emitted, and when the rays are emitted from this substance, see, on the upper side they will be like circular. But if we talk about, see, like this is the source, and about this, around this source, we will be having ray of light at time t. At time t, the ray will be at this point, and with the whole slit it will be at this point. Okay, and the same way for the other part of the slit also, and it will form a cylinder type of figure. Okay, so this or you can say the wavefront will be be cylindrical in shape. So this type of wavefronts are known as cylindrical wavefronts. But what about the plane wavefronts? About the plane wavefronts, when we are saying, when we are talking about the source of light is at infinite distance. See, this is the plane wavefronts, and how when the light is coming from the infinity, or you can say from the infinite distance, the wavefront that are formed are known as plane wavefronts. Now if we talk about the see, there are more kind of wavefronts. The first one is converging spherical wavefront. If we talk about the spherical wavefronts, we are having further two types of wavefronts. The first one is converging, and the other one is diverging. Okay, see, if the rays are coming in the form of, you can see this figure, and then see this type of figure. When we are having, see, from the very far points in the shape of a, you can consider the convex type of a shape, and from this shape, when the rays are emitted, okay, so they meet at a point, and this type of wavefronts, okay, they form, first of all, this wavefront, this plane they are forming, then they are forming this. Same with these wavefronts are known as converging spherical wavefronts. And the other type of wavefronts, when the source of light is at the center of the sphere, okay, and if we talk about only some portion of the portion of the light, or some portion of the of we restrict the portion. Okay, in that case we are having converging spherical wavefronts. Okay, so that's all for today. Other part we will be discussing in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.